Hello, my name is Karen Riffle. I would like to welcome you to my piano studio. It was a pleasure having your child as my student today. I hope that we can have a good year together as we learn piano, our first adventure in piano, as our books are called. I would like to encourage you to practice with your child 5 days a week. For 10 to 15 minutes would be fine. In their book, they will have a CD in the back. If you could please take that out and keep it someplace where you can listen to it at home or in the car. This will be a good way for them to hear the songs, know what they sound like, what they're supposed to sound like when they play them. Eventually, it would be great if they could play them well enough to play along with the CD. I will send a video home each week or link to a video on YouTube that will be playing the songs that they're learning that week. I hope that will be a big help to you so that you know how it's supposed to sound and you can see what their fingers are supposed to look like on the keys. We're working for a nice rounded hand shape, a wrist that's flexible, and playing on the tips of the fingers rather than on flat, flabby fingers like this. This is going to take some work. So those are our goals in how to play. So I hope that you will take the time to work with your child. You can both learn together, 2 for the price of 1. Also, make sure you have that 88-key keyboard in your house as soon as possible. I say, how can you learn to read if you don't have a book? How do you learn to swim if you never get in the water? And practice, okay? So it takes time. We're learning a new language. So work hard, have fun, and enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye.